Hello, and welcome back to Coin Lady channel. It could be risky to predict that XRP will be worth $100 in a year. When some of the largest international financial institutions begin to formally adopt XRP, it becomes more feasible. In order to pilot international financial dealings. According to this authoritative research, the company is the most current to experiment with blockchain technology and digital currencies. Western Union, a money transfer business, reportedly is testing the Ripple blockchain and its accompanying XRP token. Hikmater Salik, CEO of Western Union, claims the use of Ripple for both transaction settlement and capital optimization is being investigated. During a conference call with investors on February 13, he discussed the Ripple test with them. The network claims that the company is exploring XRP and Ripple's native currencies. Moreover, Ripple stated that they have been testing various products with Western Union for some time, confirming that they are working together. The company has stated its eagerness to pilot XQuick, which would utilize XRP and payment flows. On February 14, I wrote a blog article for Bloomberg News. Most importantly, the Ripple team has stated that XRP would be used in the payment flow for XRapid, which is now being tested with Western Union. So, it's official, Ripple knows XRP is being used. However, that is not the only story on CryptoEller.com, there is also another article. Major banking services provider Western Union begins Ripple XRP, another major participant in the blockchain business, has confirmed a strategic agreement with Western Union and will employ XRP in the pilot project's payment flow. Also of interest is the fact that XRP's benefits were recently highlighted by Ripple's CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, at a technology conference. Mr. House emphasized that XRP transactions are noticeably faster than those using any other cryptocurrency. He boasted that XRP was 1,000 times faster than Bitcoin, the market leader, and that its transactions were also substantially more cost-effective. In addition, you can get all of this for a considerably cheaper price. The fact that numerous exchanges have resumed listing XRP after it was deemed insecure stands attention. And there has been a huge increase in its worldwide adoption. Since then, multiple other exchanges have begun adopting XRP and partnering with Ripple, and XRP has emerged as the only cryptocurrency in the United States of America with clear regulatory direction, thanks in large part to Coinbase's robust XRP Wrapkin Binance US. Exchanges are buying XRP and storing it because they believe it is the best cryptocurrency for payment services, and major financial institutions like Western Union are experimenting with their cryptocurrency to speed up financial transactions. To emphasize this point, Brad Garlinghouse recently stated in a comment that XRP is efficient and that the efficiency it delivers makes it very appealing for institutions to adopt XRP and the RippleNet system. Moreover, there aren't very many coins like XRP, albeit that number is growing as XRP's adoption rate increases at a dizzying rate. However, I have seen a coin that is similar. The only reason I even mentioned it was due of the similarities to XRP. In a sense, it's incredible since it directly alludes to the rapidly growing native token RNT. In the recent days, the Recom network is the entity in charge of facilitating the renting of movable property like houses and cars utilizing RNT as its native token. Recent rumors have claimed that the Romcom network may also be getting ready to accept XRP as payment for the assets that may be rented. But again, there is no evidence, this is merely speculation. It's important to remember, too, that this is a multinational corporation operating in over 130 different countries. What would happen, then, if they began accepting XRP as payment for their real estate, with all of their properties and rentable assets? We have seen several countries accept XRP, so why is it so difficult for a simple company like Recom Network to do the same? This is being done by Brazil and the other BRICS nations, Brazil, Russia, India, South Africa, and China, who are planning to build their own global central banks on the XRP ledger. Each of these nations has begun conducting trials with XRP or Ripple. In this situation, XRP-based cryptocurrency liquidity provider Ripple introduces in Brazil. In addition, this link opens the door to commercial activity between Mexico and Brazil for the first time. In this case, the company has partnered with a digital bank called Travelex to roll out the program and begin pilot testing. As another example, Russian President Vladimir Putin recently introduced a paper that states so, despite the fact that it is somewhat low-tech, but if you guys want to view the complete paper, it is on my Twitter. Putin was reporting on the development of a central bank digital currency in Russia, in addition to Ripple on the XRP ledger. Here's still another example. Data on June 28, 2023, Ripple partnered with the Central Bank of India to implement the digital rupee plan in India. The Central Bank of India and the Indian government have committed to launching the Digital Rupee project, which will use the Ripple Central Bank digital currency platform to digitalize financial services. This article shows that the same thing happened in China and South Africa, with China making it clear that while XRP was preferred in the Chinese market, other cryptocurrencies were not, and that they would likely proceed with plans to implement a Chinese digital yuan on the XRP ledger. As a cherry on top, they revealed that the largest e-commerce market in the world will formally welcome Ripple to collaborate on the implementation of cross-border financial operations. According to the South African Standard Bank, more than 13 countries in Africa have adopted Ripple and XRP. Also, there is a growing consensus among African countries to use XRP. Because of this comprehension and the information I just provided. Indeed, that is the case. Conclusions based on analysis and broken data suggest that the XRP ledger will be utilized to construct their central bank's digital currency, which will be used to enable payments and transactions inside and between the countries. First, we needed to learn how many transactions or payments per day this Western Union does before we could conclude that a price of $100 per XRP was reasonable. Through our investigation, we also learned that the total volume of all payments and transactions to date exceeds $300 billion. Well, after several hours, if not days, of researching XRP, I finally bought myself an XRP coin complete with case, which turned out to be rather cool and is linked in the description. As a result of this, we estimate $320 billion, an increase of 10% to 20% from current levels. The present price of XRP is 0.52 cents, and its market size is about 28 billion, therefore we can divide 300 billion by 28 billion to get the answer of 10.71, which is sufficient for our purposes. The price comes to $5.57 after multiplying by 0.52. This, of course, is predicated on the assumption that Western Union processes transactions annually. However, the $100 becomes relevant now because the BRIC countries have already transacted a total of $56 trillion in a short amount of time. In PPP terms, this is the GDP. Therefore, we showed you these standards, and in the grand scheme of things, they don't add up. With a $560 investment, XRP's market valuation would reach $56 trillion. If the BRICS market is $11.2 trillion at $112 per XRP, then we would only receive 20% of the total amount of transactions. This is how market value is calculated. According to the numbers, we lost $100. It is expected that the BRICS countries would use the XRP ledger to create their own central bank digital currency. We're talking about around $100 even at a modest scale of 20% of total transaction volume. So, let's just say $100 and round up. This is how XRP filters the world around it. That being said, I really hope you enjoyed seeing this video. Do not forget to hit the like button. By subscribing to the channel and sharing this video, you can help inform your loved ones of XRP's genuine potential. See you in the next video. Bye.